Alright, what's up YouTube? As the title shows, I just installed the Rev9 Muffler Delete here on my 2017 Ecoboost. This is what the tips look like. Install was incredibly easy. It took me about 30 minutes maybe. Just back the car up on ramps, cut it off, slide the new pipes on, get the clamps on, and you're ready to roll. It sounds just amazing. I'm going to have the comparison videos here for you guys as well. I mean, the drone is almost non-existent. This setup, as long as you have a mid pipe, is really awesome with this car. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments.